Man, I can't believe that I got grounded for life. What should I do? Oh, I got an idea. I'm going to destroy the Nha Trang City with a bomb attack and earthquake city. Ha 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 ha. Okay, the mission is that, I will put 10 bombs and earthquake and blew the city, so I need to get out of here. I'm going to get out of here.
Classic Caillou, for the destruction that you caused, you will be sentenced until the 1st of January 2027. Court is now dismissed.
This is your cell. You will be staying here until 1st of January 2027. So, have fun.
I can't believe it that he got sent to jail for destroying the Nha Trang City. Wow!
Classic Caillou, shut up and go to sleep right now.